Meepo Electric Skateboard. The Meepo Electric Skateboard is a top choice for electric skateboard enthusiasts. It's known for its performance, affordability, and innovation. In 2024, Meepo continues to improve its lineup with the introduction of the Meepo V5 and V5R extended range. These new models offer major upgrades in battery life, speed, and overall ride quality. The Meepo V5 reaches a top speed of 29 miles per hour, 47 km per hour, and offers a range of up to 11 miles, 18 kilometers, on a single charge. The V5R takes it further, with an impressive range of 20 miles, 32 kilometers, thanks to its larger battery. Both models come with powerful hub motors that provide smooth acceleration and braking. They're built for durability, with a deck made from a composite of bamboo and fiberglass. This gives the board the perfect balance of flexibility and strength, making it great for various terrains. The V5 series also features upgraded shock-absorbing poo wheels, which improve ride comfort and stability, ensuring a smoother experience. BeTriton introducing the Z-Triton. Meet the Z-Triton, a game-changer for thrill-seekers, nature lovers, and sustainability advocates. Imagine this: a fully electric amphibious camper trike. It easily transforms from a cargo bike to a motorboat, and even a cozy tiny home. Whether you want an adventure on land or a day on the water, the Z-Triton offers emission-free exploration with plenty of fun. Picture yourself drifting off to sleep in a comfy hardtop camper. It's spacious enough for you and your furry friend. You can cook indoors or enjoy a meal outside under the open sky. Imagine watching movies surrounded by the tranquility of nature on a peaceful lake. Or think about exploring hidden treasures on remote islands. The Z-Triton isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's designed to create smiles and unforgettable memories for families, couples, solo travelers, and anyone seeking a wilderness retreat. Capra Robotics. Capra Robotics is transforming the way we handle outdoor work. They specialize in creating versatile, autonomous robots designed for tough environments. These robots are perfect for tasks like inspections, maintenance, and environmental monitoring, especially in challenging terrains. Capra's robots are equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence. This technology allows them to navigate complex landscapes with minimal human assistance. This feature is especially valuable in industries like construction and public safety, where jobs can be labor-intensive. Each robot can be customized to fit specific needs, so pricing varies based on customization options. Over time, Capra Robotics has worked to overcome challenges in battery life and adaptability. Thanks to advancements in power efficiency and navigation systems, these robots are now more capable than ever. Capra Robotics is setting a new standard for autonomous technology, making outdoor work safer, easier, and more efficient. Hongju International Sports Center. Welcome to the Hongju International Sports Center, a world-class complex designed by Zaha Hadid Architects. Located in Hangzhou, China, this state-of-the-art venue is part of the city's new Science and Technology Cultural District. The complex includes a 60,000-seat football stadium, a 19,000-seat indoor arena, and an aquatic center with 250-meter pools. It's built to serve both amateur and professional athletes, making it a hub for sports and leisure activities. One of the most unique aspects of the sports center is its podium. This feature connects the stadium to surrounding public plazas, parks, and riverfront areas, creating a vibrant community space. The open facade of the stadium, covered with stylish louvers, offers panoramic views of the city and the nearby river. The center's layered design is inspired by the surrounding tea farms, blending modern architecture with natural beauty. This thoughtful approach transforms the complex into more than just a sports venue. It's a place for the community to gather, celebrate, and enjoy. The Hongju International Sports Center sets a new standard for urban sports facilities, providing world-class amenities in a stunning environment. It's not just a landmark, it's a new way to bring people together through the love of sports. PIX Moving Space. Reimagining transportation. PIX Moving Space is here to transform how we move through cities, with autonomous, modular vehicles designed to reshape urban life. This third-generation automobile is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. At its core is a self-driving, electric chassis called the PIXBOT, which serves as a blank canvas. Upon this chassis, PIX adds modular pod units, creating custom, moving spaces that can be tailored for nearly any purpose. Imagine commuting to work in a mobile coffee shop that's brewing your latte, or taking a ride in a self-driving gym pod, where you can fit in a quick workout on the go. These PIX moving spaces offer endless possibilities. They can be transformed into conference rooms, karaoke lounges, vending cars, mini hotels, and more. Whether you're a commuter, an adventurer, or an urban dweller, these spaces provide on-demand services and a fresh way to experience city life. With a focus on flexibility and diverse uses, PIX Moving Space aims to revolutionize urban mobility. It's not just about transportation, it's about redefining how we live, work, and play in the city. Jet Shark Q. Meet the Jet Shark Q, a cutting-edge personal watercraft designed for a thrilling mix of underwater and surface-level adventures. Known for its futuristic, shark-like design, the Jet Shark Q can dive below the water's surface and speed across it like a high-powered boat. With a powerful engine, this craft reaches impressive speeds both above and below the water, offering a unique blend of submarine and speedboat experiences. Inside, the Jet Shark Q has a fully enclosed cockpit, creating a safe, pressurized environment while allowing riders to see the underwater world around them. Built for adventure, the Jet Shark Q seats up to 4 passengers, making it ideal for those who want to explore marine environments in a dynamic way. Recent updates have increased the durability of its carbon fiber body and improved maneuverability with advanced steering controls. Plus, it's equipped with cutting-edge safety features for a secure ride. The Jet Shark Q is more than a watercraft. It's a new way to experience the thrill of both sea and speed. Von Mercier Lucern EV Jet. Imagine gliding across the water in a boat that looks like it came straight from the future. The Von Mercier Lucern EV Jet is a luxurious electric jet boat that combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Built with a carbon fiber hull and a teak deck, this boat has a high-end look that's both durable and stylish. Step inside, and you'll find a sophisticated interior with every detail crafted for a premium experience. The Lucern EV Jet runs on an advanced electric hydrojet propulsion system. This setup means you can enjoy a quiet, smooth ride without any emissions, perfect for those who love the water and want to protect the environment. Plus, its powerful lithium-ion battery is not only efficient but also portable, and it's compatible with regular EV charging stations, so recharging is easy and accessible. Thanks to its shallow V-shaped hull, the EV Jet isn't just eco-friendly, it's also fast and highly maneuverable across different water conditions. Inside, it offers comfortable seating for up to 4 passengers with a front bench and side-by-side seating. Lightweight and easy to trailer, this boat is ideal for family outings and adventurous escapes alike. With its innovative design and eco-friendly technology, the Von Mercier Lucern EV Jet redefines what a luxury jet boat can be. Airbus, Bird of Prey. Introducing Airbus, Bird of Prey, a groundbreaking conceptual aircraft that takes inspiration from nature. This innovative design uses biomimicry to mimic the efficient mechanics of birds. The Bird of Prey features feather-tipped wings and tail structures. Each tip is individually controlled, allowing for enhanced maneuverability while reducing drag. This design helps the aircraft respond more effectively to changes in flight conditions. A standout element is the smooth wing root, the point where the wing connects to the fuselage. This design element imitates the aerodynamic shape of an eagle or falcon, showcasing graceful lines that enhance flight efficiency. Adding to its unique aesthetic, the feathered tips of the tail are adorned with a Union Jack pattern. This design contrasts beautifully with the plane's vibrant orange body and the more subtly colored blue, white, and gold wings. While the Bird of Prey is not intended to represent a working aircraft, it provides a glimpse into the future of aviation. The designers aim to inspire and showcase how harnessing the principles of nature could reshape aircraft design. Imagine a world where flight takes cues from the elegance and efficiency of birds. The Bird of Prey stands as a testament to what is possible when we look to nature for inspiration. LYX Yacht Villa, At LYX, we are committed to achieving the highest standards in architecture, creating solutions that fit the needs of today's world. Our goal is to move beyond the ordinary and create exceptional experiences. That's why we designed the LYX Yacht Villa, a luxurious way to enjoy your marine trips in style. With a spacious 800 square meters, the yacht offers a blend of elegance and comfort. The living room is designed with luxurious and futuristic elements. Modern sofas and clean white walls provide a relaxing atmosphere, while stunning fiber optic lighting in the ceiling adds a touch of sophistication. What makes this space even more special is the panoramic glass that surrounds the room, offering a 360 degrees view of the sea. This design ensures you never miss a moment of the beautiful surroundings. We believe that your lifestyle should continue, even while on vacation. That's why we've included a dedicated sports room on the yacht, allowing the owner to stay active and maintain their routine while cruising the seas. Scalevo Stair Climbing Wheelchair. Imagine a wheelchair that can effortlessly climb stairs. The Scalevo Stair Climbing Wheelchair is a groundbreaking mobility device designed to help users navigate challenging spaces with ease. Developed by a team from Zurich, this wheelchair is a game-changer for people with mobility impairments. It features two angled rubber tracks that extend to climb stairs smoothly. On flat surfaces, the wheelchair uses two large wheels, similar to those on a Segway, to glide forward with ease. With this innovative design, users gain the freedom to move across various terrains, from steep staircases to bustling city streets, significantly enhancing their quality of life. The Scalevo project was a collaborative effort, bringing together students from Zurich's mechanical and electrical engineering programs and the University of the Arts Zurich's design department. Together, they created a wheelchair that is both functional and comfortable. Starting at around $38,000, the Scalevo Stair Climbing Wheelchair is priced to reflect its advanced technology. Costs may vary based on additional features, and some users may qualify for subsidies through insurance or disability benefits to help reduce the price. The Scalevo Stair Climbing Wheelchair isn't just a mobility device, it's a new level of independence. Slingshot ROUSH. The Slingshot ROUSH Edition is a high-performance roadster, created through a collaboration between Polaris and ROUSH Performance. This limited edition model takes the iconic three-wheeled roadster to the next level. Under the hood, it's powered by a ProStar 2.0L four-cylinder engine, delivering 203 horsepower. This provides incredible speed and acceleration for an unforgettable driving experience. Visually, the ROUSH Edition stands out with its bold design. It features exclusive ROUSH branding, custom graphics, and a striking two-tone paint scheme in red and black. Inside, the premium interior is built for performance, with sport seats featuring custom stitching, a ROUSH-branded steering wheel, and a 7-inch ride command display with navigation. The Slingshot ROUSH Edition offers a perfect combination of speed, style, and luxury, making it a must-have for any roadster enthusiast. Swingcar E Spider Fun. The Swingcar E Spider Fun is an innovative electric off-road vehicle that stands out with its unique tilting design and impressive all-terrain capabilities. This four-wheel vehicle is powered by individual electric motors in each wheel, giving it remarkable agility and traction. One of its key features is its independent suspension and tilting system. This setup allows the E-Spider to lean into turns, much like a motorcycle, which enhances stability and control on uneven terrain. Its spider-like design is perfect for tackling tough landscapes, from steep hills and rocky paths to forest trails. Plus, it's eco-friendly, running on electric power with zero emissions. The latest version of the E-Spider Fun also boasts an improved battery life, making it ready for longer off-road adventures. It can be customized with options to suit different terrains and user preferences, making it a versatile choice for explorers. The Swingcar E Spider Fun combines cutting-edge tech with off-road excitement, delivering a unique, eco-friendly experience for adventure seekers. Tesla Cyberquad. The Tesla Cyberquad is a sleek, futuristic electric ATV designed to complement the Tesla Cybertruck. Released as a limited edition, it was primarily created for children. This scaled-down version features a durable steel frame, a cushioned seat, and adjustable suspension for a smooth and comfortable ride. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery, offering up to 15 miles of range on a full charge. The Cyberquad for kids can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, making it a fun and safe ride. Its design mirrors the angular aesthetic of the Cybertruck, maintaining that distinctive Tesla look. The Tesla Cyberquad is the perfect way for young adventurers to experience the future of electric vehicles. Nissan Altima TAWD. The Nissan Altima TAWD is a unique blend of everyday sedan practicality and extreme off-road capability. This special version, crafted by Motorsports in Action, takes the 2019 Nissan Altima AWD to a whole new level. It's designed to conquer snowy terrain, thanks to custom snow tracks that are 48 inches long, 30 inches tall, and 15 inches wide. These tracks ensure maximum traction in the snow, making it a true snow machine. To enhance both performance and appearance, the Altima TAW features wide custom fender flares and a 3-inch raised ride height. These additions give it a more rugged look and improve its off-road abilities. With over 250 hours of detailed craftsmanship, the Altima TAWD stands as a symbol of innovation and engineering excellence. It takes the everyday sedan and transforms it into something extraordinary.